Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal lawyer. I'm also the owner and managing partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. One of the crimes in the subset of crimes that we handle quite frequently at my firm are violent crimes. Now, violent crimes could be anything from murder to simple battery, assault, likely to produce great bodily injury, to mayhem, and pretty much anything and everything in between. We have the experience and the reputation and the success handling pretty much every type of violent crime imaginable. Now, a word and a tip as it relates to violent crimes. If you find yourself watching this video and you believe that you're currently under investigation for a violent crime, please resist the urge to speak to law enforcement, resist the urge to post about the alleged offense on social media, and resist the urge, quite frankly, to discuss this with anyone other than a potential attorney to represent you. And the reason for that is this. So many times people will be accused of committing any crime, particularly a violent crime, and there may be some evidence against them, but not enough evidence against them to get themselves convicted until social media comes into play, until friends and family get interviewed by law enforcement about, hey, what did you talk to that person about? Did they admit that they were there? Did they admit that there was a fight? Did they admit that there was a weapon used? All those types of situations. And also, there may be some evidence there, but until that person comes in who's the suspect and starts talking, for what reason? No one really knows, but starts talking to law enforcement, maybe because they're scared, maybe because they think that law enforcement is going to help them if they just tell their side of the story. What they wind up doing is giving law enforcement and giving a prosecutor all the evidence in the world to convict them. So if you're watching this video, you're under investigation for a violent crime, the next call, the next words out of your mouth should be reaching out to a locally experienced, quality criminal defense law firm, whether it's mine or another here in San Diego, and ask them how they could help you. We have a track record of helping people just like you deal with, defend against, and recover from accusations of violent crime, particularly violent crime in San Diego. We can be reached at 619-295-3555.